Hi guys, welcome to SAS with Cass. This is Cass. Here you learn things with SAS. But anyway, let's move on to the video. So I'd asked you guys to ask me some questions on Instagram, so I'm going to be answering them today. Here, let's go. Do you have any strategy for swings? What I do for swing trading is basically I go to tradingview.com, and then tradingview.com mein I go to the most volatile wala section, and whichever stock has given a lot of movement or was very volatile, I go to them and then start analyzing them. Like 10-12 उठा लेती हूँ and then उसके बाद keep on filtering them, right? So that way I'll get 1 or 2 stocks which will actually give me good returns and matches my criteria. So what I do is go to most volatile stocks, pick 10 to 12 stocks whichever I want to analyze and then analyze them. Second method you can do is go to indices like Bank Nifty, Nifty Pharma. You just type CNX in tradingview.com and you will find a lot of indices. Nifty Pharma, jaise bola na, Nifty Bank, wo sab. Now, how do you now you go on to analyze those indices, ठीक है? Like if you went on to look after Nifty Bank or Nifty Pharma देखा पसंद नहीं आया, like you have to look for breakout potential, or if you think the index is going to move up or something, तो फिर अभी suppose Nifty Bank and you think Nifty Bank is going to give you a breakout in the near future, तो now Nifty Bank के अंडर कौन कौन से स्टॉक्स है, HDFC बैंक है, ICICI बैंक है, SBI एंड ऑल, तो फिर नाउ यू गो टू दो स्टॉक्स एंड देन यू डिसाइड विच स्टॉक यू वांट टू इन्वेस्ट योर मनी इन फॉर स्विंग. स्विंग इज व्हाट? स्विंग ट्रेडिंग क्या होता है? It is basically like expecting short term returns, not one day pick close, 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, month of 1 or 2 months, वैसे. That is what swing trading is. Like you expect returns, considerable, a good amount of return in this period of time. So you can either go with the most volatile stocks. That is what I used to do and I still do. And also this indices wala thing also I do, like go to Nifty Bank लग रहा है potential upside देने का, तो फिर you go to the stocks and then you invest in them. और फार्मा या फिर एनर्जी मेटल जो भी मिलता है वो सब कर. Show your 60-day challenge results. अभी तक ख़त्म नहीं हुआ है. Like whoever started with me 15th April को, they all know that the challenge ends on 9th of September. So we're going to see it then. Let's go. I think a lot of people started the 60-day challenge with me. So that was pretty cool. 60-day challenge is basically a challenge by Zerodha. Like jahan you have to be profitable at the end of 60 days. And like it's just basically to, be more responsible as traders or investors or whatever. Like the goal is to not be profitable at the end of a day. It's about being profitable at the end of a month, the year. You have to survive the market. That's the goal. It's about surviving the 300 days. 65 जाए भाड़ में, but 300 days survive करना है, तो उसके ऊपर focus करो. So don't go on day-to-day basis. Can you suggest me any books to learn the basics of trading and how to study markets? Any books? Okay. So especially if you're just starting out, you want to learn about the basics of stock market. I read Jitendra Gala ka Basics of Stock Market. It is amazing. I though loved it. Some people don't exactly like it, but it was amazing for me. And then there was Guide to Intraday Trading. That also I read. That was also amazing. Recently I read this book, The Volatility Play. That is also an amazing book. You should definitely read that because that actually gives you perspective and everything. And the fourth book is How to Avoid Losses and Earn Consistently in the Stock Market. Read that book also. That guide demeans day trading and everything, but then it gives you a whole new perspective about the market, and I would say please read that because that book is amazing. And also read the Dhando Investor. Dhando Investor is gold. So yeah. And then if you just want to get ahead with the finances, then Rich Dad Poor Dad. So yeah. Which software you use for technical analysis? I use tradingview.com. It provides all the charts and also, yeah, it works just fine for me. How to scan stocks based on technical pointers. See, scan stocks, I told you how I select stocks and how you can also select stocks in the same way. There's this one more website, chartink.com. The Chartink pe jaake, if you go on to filter, like if you have some indications like ye 2 months ka consolidation kuch breakout dena hai, ya fir it broke yesterday's high or yesterday's low or something, you can put those criteria screener like Chartink pe jaake you can put it in and it will filter out the stocks for you. And there are already like ready-made screeners also made by people. So just go to charting.com and you'll find it. You can make your own screener, or there are ready-made screeners also. See what works fine for you. And yeah, go ahead with it. Are you like CA? From how did your trading journey begin? I am going to give my CA inter exam this November. I'm just 19. Last year CA foundation दिया था, that I passed, and this year I'm going to give my CA inter exam in November, and I'm doing BCom. I'm in first year right now. नहीं, अभी second year हो जाएगा, अभी final exams है कल से. So yeah, from how did my trading journey begin? You can click on the I button here or here, I don't know. You can click on the I button here. I've talked about all my trading वाला thing पहले. Is technical analysis something you depend on? Yes, solely technical analysis. Fundamentals इतना नहीं देखती, like long term investing purposes से पहले देखती थी बहुत, पता नहीं. But then your charts give you all the answers. If you know how to read your charts and अच्छे से price action whatever you know अच्छे से, that is more than enough. Fundamentals, so like it is when you are investing in a company for 10 to 20 years and you have to believe in the company, right? I तो mainly day trade and swing trade, तो फिर technicals are my go-to, but I've started to learn about the fundamentals thoda aur, because I'm not very well equipped with the fundamentals. So I ordered the Intelligent Investor. Still haven't started reading it. I just hope it being in my bookshelf helps with my investments, but I'll start reading it and let you guys know how it is. As a beginner, what courses did I take to learn about trading? I haven't really gone for any course like in the beginning and all. I learned everything from scratch by myself, like whatever free courses, resources were available online, all that I went through. Rachna ma'am's videos, then a lot of other people's videos also. Like there's so much free content on the internet. Like if you just look, you'll find it. But yeah, if you want some personal mentorship or something, then go for a paid course. Only just make sure that person is willing to give you the time that you need. Like personal attention is very important if you are looking for that. Make sure it's not like 400-500 लोगों को एक साथ पढ़ा लिया, ख़त्म कर लिया. There's no personal mentorship or anything. Just make sure there's personal attention on whatever course you give your money to, because your money is important, and make sure you're putting it in the right space. What actually are you doing in the market? Cash trading, options, stock options, investment. I am also doing cash trading, options trading भी करती हूँ कभी-कभी. So yeah, both. When did you enter the market? October 6, 2020, and I started derivatives on December 18, 2020. I don't know why I remember these dates like this, but they are very close to my heart. So yeah, it's been like almost 8 to 9 months since I've been in the market. So yeah. What are the best reliable sources to learn about trading? See, read books, watch videos, whatever you are comfortable with, okay? But the best reliable source would be you, yourself, okay? So look at charts, read charts, spend time with them. Spend time with your own analysis, see where you went wrong. That will be the best reliable source. जितना भी तुम लोग video, book कुछ भी देख लो ना, it won't help as much as you would help yourself. How to start trading journey? Like I said, read books, watch videos, spend time with yourself, spend time where you're making mistakes. Just get started. Just get started somehow, and you will figure out. आगे. I'm not even kidding. Just pick up a book and start reading. Like I said, basics of the stock market. Jitendra Kala का उठाओ, पढ़ना चालू करो, and you'll get the hang of it. आगे, what you have to do. Please say just one strategy to earn consistently. I'm going on losing, but not losing confidence. First of all, you're not losing confidence. That's huge. I would say पहले तो reduce your capital. I feel like you are going in with a lot of capital, so reduce your capital, make it minimal, and then when you start earning consistently, तब जाके capital बढ़ाना. And one strategy to earn consistently, one strategy ऐसा होता तो फिर everyone would have been billionaire or millionaire or whatever, right? There is no one strategy. Different things work for different people. You have to find your own strategy. But read around, experiment around. You're free to do all that. Right, there's not one strategy that I can point out to you and tell you that this is it, this is what will help you earn consistently. So yeah. How do you pick your intraday stock, and what all indicators you use in day trading apart from RSI? I don't use RSI. I don't use any indicators while day trading. I'm proud to say I don't use any indicators anymore. I used to, but I don't anymore. Don't waste your time with indicators. They are useless. They're worthless. I'm not even kidding. They're utterly useless. How do I pick my intraday stocks? I most volatile stocks में जाके देखती हूँ, वही मेरा वहाँ से swing भी बनता है, वहाँ से intraday भी बनता है मेरा, and charting also the same thing. Current high of market doesn't seem genuine. It feels as if crash can happen any day. Your views? I don't know why people go on to the most negative aspect of it, like crash होने वाला है, market is going to fall and everything. Why are you trying to time the market? Why? There's no point in timing the market. It is only going to affect you badly. क्योंकि when the market is actually going up and up and you are like नहीं ये तो बहुत ऊपर चला गया, it can fall any time now, you could have invested in some stock or something and had good returns, but then you were like नहीं market गिरने वाला है करके you did not invest. And then there are people who are like नहीं market गिरेगा करके, and then जब सबसे top में जाके they will go and buy. That doesn't make any sense. If you believe in the stock, if you believe in the company, go ahead and buy it. Like, don't have this negative consumption that market गिरेगा. I'm not even kidding. I entered the market in October. तब से people have been saying market गिरेगा. Where? कहाँ गिरा? What are you guys saying, man? Don't go over this market fall. See, max to max correction होगा या फिर something. हो गया अभी. Stop thinking at the negative bias में. See what the charts tell you. Go according to the charts. Are the charts telling that the markets will fall? No. So yeah, chill out. How much time you took to finish studying this whole stock market? I feel like you can never finish studying about the stock market, okay? It's something you learn, something new every single day. There's not one day that you will not learn something new. I'm not even kidding. Like the biggest mistake I did was, I was like, चलो सब learn कर लिया, सब हो गया पढ़ के, something somewhere in between, I think, Feb में something. The Feb में I did, and then उसके बाद मेरा losing streak चालू. As soon as you think no, कि you are done, you are a pro at it, और सब पढ़ लिया करके, that is the worst thing you can do to yourself, because market will punish you. The market knows. Market is supreme. So yeah, never think that you're done studying or something. Always keep studying. Till what number the earning power can go up? Like I said again, don't try to time the market. How was your first time stock market experience? It was nice. Very mixed feelings honestly, but it was nice. I started with equity, right? Equity mein, starting में तो I sucked at it. I sucked like ultra pro max sucking at it. फिर उसके बाद नवंबर में I started with swings equity में, and that went amazing, like portfolio बना के, so that was nice. Week wise portfolio, because my exams were in December, so I was like, now I need to do something which won't require ज़्यादा time sitting in the market, so I did that. Which trading type of trading you do? I mostly do intraday and swings. When there is a crash, would you say pink bath? I don't know why people keep coming at me for my pink charts, but they serve very well to me. Like now you might have a question, why did I change my charts color to pink? Pink nahi, matlab I would say you all should change your chart ke colors. Green and red are not the go-to, because वो psychology में play करता है. Like as soon as you see a green bar, then you will want to buy. As soon as you see a red bar, then you will want to sell. Now, but if you change your colors, then वो psychology वाला thing, that mind पहले से जो सोच के रखा है, that breaks down. So I would say change your chart colors also, and stop judging me for the color pink. It's amazing. I love my charts. They've been giving me good returns, so I have no complaints. So yeah, and pink bath maybe. Why do option traders incur so much loss? I feel like majority of the option traders that incur a loss because they have not studied about it enough. Because these people are like, oh my god, they are going to get stellar, amazing, high returns करके आ जाते हैं, but then they don't do the complete study, and they come in with such a huge capital inside this derivatives का market, and you know कि derivatives में 0% हो सकता है capital, like पूरा, you can blow your whole capital. Still these people will come in with a huge capital for no reason whatsoever, and then end up blowing the capital, and it's just like half knowledge के साथ. They're not even trying to learn the whole thing, and that is why majority of the people lose. We all know that option traders, like option में trade करने से, derivatives के segment में trade करने से, you get a lot of returns, right? Huge returns. So why come in with a huge capital? छोटे capital के साथ आओ, उसको huge बनाओ ना. It is very easy to make it a huge capital, right? But then it's very easy to lose a huge capital. छोटा capital है तो इतना you won't feel कि you know when you lose that capital. So keep your capital small, especially when you come into derivatives, because that small capital can turn into a big capital. But if you come into the derivative segment with a huge capital, that won't be rewarding as such. Like the risk reward doesn't really add up. So, and learn a lot about it. बहुत ज़्यादा paper trading करो, please. Intraday or swing? I to love intraday trading. Swing is more safe thoda sa than intraday, but I love intraday trading. How do you find company to invest in? Like, do you use any website or what? Charting.com only, like I said before. So use charting, you'll be good. What's more challenging and rewarding? Derivatives or options? Options is a subset of derivatives. So I think the whole thing is rewarding. Derivative segment as a whole is rewarding as bahut zyada, but come in with a small capital and study a lot about it before entering it, because it's equally as risky. Jitna zyada return, utna hi zyada risk. We all know that. So yeah. From how many days you are in the market? 8-9 months. 8-9 months. Like I said, I started in October, so it's been 9 months. Option selling safer than equity futures and option buying, your view? I don't think anything safer than other things. Obviously, equity mein risk is limited, unlike the other segment. Derivatives mein to risk is unlimited. Unlimited nahi, matlab option selling mein it's unlimited. Option buying mein it's limited, like the premium you're giving, utna tak hi risk hota hai, but then equity. And there's no such thing as this thing is safer than the other. If you come in the market with half knowledge, you are risking your entire capital no matter what. ठीक है? You are risking your investments, whatever. If you're coming in with half knowledge and you don't know what you're doing, everything is risky. But if you know what you're doing and you've studied about it enough, everything's safe. That's it for this video. Tell me what you guys want me to, put out next in my YouTube channel. Comment down below what you want me to put next in my YouTube channel, and I will do that. I'll deliver. I'll try to be more consistent on here. I say this every single time, but it's very difficult to shoot videos, YouTube ke liye. That is why. But tell me what you want to see next here on this channel, and I'll do so. And yeah, that's just it. That's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.